girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little, just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be close if I was Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert, but either way the objective is the same, to please and entertain. Baby, my big son, my bed'll be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time, but
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Cynosure hair, and today I'm reviewing this 4x4 closure unit, and I do have it in this gorgeous honey blonde highlight color. I love wearing this colorway because I feel like honestly like it's made for my skin tone. I feel like it matches so well. Like even my eyebrows, they match better with this kind of hair. And this is my eyebrows that I do all the time. Like I use this color even when I wear like black hair, and it just works so perfectly with this like sandy brown blonde hair. And honestly, it gives me Lotto vibes. Like this is kind of like the color of like Lotto's natural hair. It's definitely a vibe, and I thought it would pair well with like this little leopard maxi dress that I have on. I feel like it's just so perfect with this hair. It definitely gives like a little lioness. Like that's how I feel right now. This is a lot of hair. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know that now. And like I said, this is a 4x4 closure unit, but it's also a glueless install, you guys. I didn't have to use any product to adhere this unit. I did use like a little foaming mousse up top here, but nothing too crazy. Nothing on like this portion of the hair. This is definitely a natural texture, but the actual unit itself is not adhered down by anything. So the only thing that's keeping this unit like snug and fit is the adjustable straps in the back. It gives you the perfect fit, and you can do a glueless install like how I have today. You see how I can just lift that up, put my unit right back down, and it's like seamless. There's no line of demarcation. You don't see any lace. Like it's super melted. It looks really good. And this is the parting space with a 4-inch, okay? This looks way longer than 4 inches, and I like that about it. And this is all of the hair up front, off to the side. This is also 220% density, so it's very, very full. So this is an up close look at the texture. So pretty. It looks so gorgeous. It's giving Goldilocks. So yeah, as you guys can see, when you stretch it, it's a lot longer than what it looks like over here, where it stops like up to here. And because this unit doesn't take a lot to actually install, I highly recommend this unit to people who are beginners, who don't really know how to install units just yet, and you're just trying to have something that's great for like a wear and go. This is something that can quickly be installed in less than 5 minutes. Honestly, you can wear this like if you're just in a rush to go to work, if you're in a rush to go out with your friends and you just didn't have time to do your hair. This is the perfect unit to just pick up and go, and I love that about it. It's a really gorgeous color, and I think it's actually perfect for the summertime. Like this in the summertime is just like, it just gives summer to me. Like when I see this hair, it definitely gives like beach waves. And I like the fact that even though it's 220% density, it's not overwhelming for me, because a lot of times when I have units that are that full, they tend to just be a little bit too much. Like I'm not gonna lie, but this one is like perfect. Like it just doesn't overdo it. Like it's just the perfect amount of hair. And like I said, this is with all of it up front. I promise you, I know sometimes these units look like I don't know about that, but yeah, definitely try this unit out. And we've seen this colorway, you know, over the years, but I just like this particular unit because not only is the color beautiful, but they put like these dark roots that like really help me, like because the root color matches my eyebrows, you know, so that's what I mean. Like it just goes together. Like my skin tone, like even like the lightest part here, it's like parts of the hair that like match all of my undertones and lighter tones, and I really like that about it. It's very interesting though, because when I look on the website, I actually don't see the 4x4. They have this new one, and it's called the 7x5. It says 7x5 pre-cut. That's the only lace. Maybe they like sold out of the 4x4. But they do have 7x5, which is actually really good because you get a lot more like space. You have a lot more styles you can do. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you is this. Look, not only can you lift it, but you can move her. You can move it all on over here. Okay. Okay. And I did already like put this, you know, part right there, so it doesn't like work like as a side part for real, but you can always switch your part up later. And then boom, you can wear her as a side part, a little flip over. So yeah, shout out to Cynosure because they did their thing, okay? I really, really do like this. And I like the fact that they got this new one. Y'all really need to check out this new one that they got, the 7x5. Yeah, that's the one. But yeah, y'all, so shout out to Cynosure for sending this one over. I really did enjoy it. If you do want to check it out, the link will be down below. All the discount codes, all that stuff will be linked down below, so definitely go check that out. And this unit also does come in 13x4 and 13x6, so they have a couple of different sizes. Obviously, you know, depending on what you choose, the price ranges will differ, but they do have a lot of coupon codes, and use those coupon codes. If they don't work, let me know, but the coupon codes usually work, and you could definitely get some money off, so don't be paying full price for nothing, okay? That's my tip for you. And anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye.